Good afternoon everybody and welcome to North East Network. Thank you all for coming. This is our 7th event. We can't believe we've been doing this one for about a year and a half and people are still coming, aren't they? We all get together, have a few beers and stuff like that, and it's a really fantastic networking opportunity. One of our network is Sergio, who's got Red Sky Foundation. We need to give him a round of applause because he's just actually got his MBE. And thank you very much for Alfie Joey again for coming along, either entertaining us or whatever he does, but he's basically going to be looking after us and orchestrating for our Q&As. So there's lots to come from the network, so it is really exciting.